This might be our best look yet at the iPhone 18 Pro, and Apple may have just accidentally confirmed its biggest secret device of the year. From a smaller dynamic island and major camera upgrades to the first real evidence of a folding iPhone Ultra, Apple is cooking up something massive for later this year. If you are waiting for a standard iPhone 18 model, you might be out of luck. Rumors say there will be no base model this year. Apple is putting all its energy into the Pro and the Ultra lineups. The biggest visual upgrade on the iPhone 18 Pro comes right to the front glass. Newly leaked screen protectors give us the clearest evidence yet that the dynamic island is finally getting smaller. This is the first time Apple is physically reducing the size of the cutout since they introduced it on the iPhone 14 Pro. This tweak gives the screen a noticeable, cleaner, and less intrusive look. While the cutout is shrinking, the actual display sizes are staying exactly the same. You still get a 6.3-inch screen on the Pro and a massive 6.9-inch screen on the Pro Max. Underneath that glass, the screen technology is getting a serious upgrade. Apple is reportedly moving to a newer LTPO Plus technology. This shift will drastically improve power efficiency and make the always-on display adjustments feel much more responsive. Combined with brighter and more efficient OLED materials, the screen will look incredible outdoors. It is not a complete redesign of the phone's face, but it is a highly refined change that will make daily viewing much better. When you flip the phone over, the back design stays very familiar. It looks almost identical to the iPhone 17 Pro series, but Apple is shaking things up with the color options. The lineup will feature classic black and silver alongside a smooth light blue. The real star of the show is a new dark cherry color. This rich shade is set to be the flagship color of the year, completely replacing the orange colorway from the previous generation. The cameras are where things get genuinely exciting. This year, the iPhone 18 Pro series is introducing a feature we have never seen on an iPhone before. The 48-megapixel main camera is getting a physical variable aperture. Samsung has experimented with this technology in the past, but Apple bringing it to the iPhone in 2026 means they have a major software and hardware synergy planned. A variable aperture means the lens opening can physically expand or contract depending on your scene. This gives the camera ultimate control over light, exposure, and natural background blur. The upgrades do not stop at the main lens. The telephoto camera is also getting a wider aperture. This will directly improve your zoom photography in low light conditions, which addresses a major pain point for mobile photographers. It looks like Apple is directly answering Samsung's latest zoom improvements on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Powering all of this hardware is the brand new A20 Pro chip. This is a massive milestone because it is the first iPhone chip built on TSMC's advanced 2-nanometer process. This smaller architecture means the chip is incredibly powerful while consuming less battery. More importantly, Apple designed this silicon specifically to handle heavy AI performance locally on the device. The phone also brings a massive change to internal connectivity. Apple is finally using its own second-generation C2 modem, completely replacing the Qualcomm modems they relied on for years. This gives Apple total control over the internal hardware and cellular efficiency. This major shift was practically confirmed by a recent source code leak in the iOS 27 developer beta. That exact same iOS 27 source code also exposed Apple's biggest secret of the decade. The developer beta contains direct references to terms like fold state and angle degrees. These coding strings point directly to a brand new foldable device called the iPhone Ultra. While the tech world suspected a foldable was in development, seeing it written in Apple's own code makes it as official as it can get. The iPhone Ultra will feature a unique passport-style design. Instead of a tall and narrow screen like other foldables on the market, it will feature a wider 5.5-inch outer display and a massive 7.8-inch inner display when unfolded. It will essentially feel like carrying a compact iPad mini that folds neatly into your pocket. To keep the profile thin, the back will only feature two cameras, a 48-megapixel main sensor and an ultra-wide sensor, skipping the telephoto lens entirely. Inside, it will share the same powerful A20 chip and custom C2 modem as the Pro models. A premium folding device like this comes with a jaw-dropping price tag. The iPhone Ultra is expected to start around $2,500, making it the most expensive iPhone ever made. Given that Apple just raised prices officially across many product lines, the final price tag could be even higher. We expect Apple to reveal this entire lineup in September 2026. In my opinion, this lineup shows a very smart dual strategy from Apple. The iPhone 18 Pro is the perfect refinement of the classic smartphone, bringing incredible camera versatility with the variable aperture. Meanwhile, the iPhone Ultra is a massive leap forward that could completely redefine mobile productivity for power users who want a tablet and a phone in one device. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest tech updates.